Good morning and welcome back. Things are pretty wet this morning in some locations. Here's a look at the radar. So we do have some showers moving into the state portions of southwest Montana, but let's take a look at some of the sky cams. Bozeman Pass, a rainy start to the day. Also, if you're traveling across McDonald Pass, rain showers will begin and they're going to be extremely light. They'll stick around until around 8 o'clock. Let's take a look at the current temperatures. 73 degrees to start your morning. When you factor in the wind, it still feels as if it's 73 degrees. Let's take a look at our friends in Great Falls. Currently, temperatures 65 degrees, a warm start over there. And when you factor in the wind, it still feels as if it's 65 degrees. Here's a look at the 24-hour temperature change in Helena. We're 17 degrees warmer this morning. The entire state warming up, aside from Miles City, 2 degrees cooler, and down in Livingston, 21 degrees warmer this morning. So we do have a couple of cold fronts that's going to pass through the state. The first front will kick off showers and thunderstorms for some locations. So we do have a few disturbances. We do have an area of low pressure that's moving through southwest Montana, and that is going to track towards northwest Montana. We do have a cold front that's also going to bring showers to areas along the High Line in eastern Montana, where they need much needed precipitation, and also down in southeast Montana. That system will taper off, but we're not done yet. We do have to deal with some wind today. Things will be pretty breezy out. Here's a look at the wind conditions as we get into the late night hours. Areas along the High Line, the wind will die down, but will be pretty breezy down in portions of southeast Montana. Around this time of the year, temperatures supposed to be in the upper 70s. Today, ahead of this cold front, temperatures in the upper 80s. Now, areas along the High Line, temperatures will cool as we get into tomorrow. So the second front will bring cool air and also another round of clouds, rain, and also thunderstorms. So here's a look at the severe weather index. I'll step out the way. So the area is shaded in green under a marginal risk for severe storms. They will be isolated, short-lived, limited in intensity, but it still can produce small hail, can kick up the wind, and frequent lightning, not out of the question. So our friends along the High Line will have a cold front that will pass through. Our friends in northeast Montana, much needed precipitation. Now remember, they're under extreme drought conditions in that area. So again, our friends along the High Line, that system will favor that. As we get into the afternoon hours, we'll get that daylight heating. Showers will kick off in west central Montana around the capital, and down in central Montana and also south central Montana. That system will taper off out of the state. And yeah, here's a reminder. Here's a look at the drought monitor. Areas shading in red, extreme drought conditions. So again, any precipitation will be welcome. Thursday's temperatures, as that cold front drop through the state, our friends in Cupping, 66 degrees, Havard, 76 degrees, but by Friday, dry conditions will move back in. Let's take a look at Friday. Friday is going to be dry. Ridge of high pressure is going to start to build in from the northwest, and that's going to stick with us through the weekend. Temperatures in the 80s, Cupping right on average in the upper 70s. If you're just tuning in, go to our KTVH Facebook page and submit your response. So how many times per day does lightning strike the earth? Is it A, 5 million, B, 8 million, C, 100 million, or D, 15 million? While you're thinking about that, let's take a look at the temperatures. So today we're going to be in the upper 80s. We do have a chance for some stray showers. And as we get into Thursday, cold front's going to bring thunderstorms, cloud cover, and also will cool the temperatures to 84 degrees. Friday, mostly sunny, 83. Saturday, if you plan on going to the rodeo in Augusta, temperatures will warm up. They're going to be in the 90s there. Around the capital, 86 degrees. I'm standing here on purpose because I want to just dive into next week. Sunday, 95 degrees. As we get into Monday, daytime highs come close to hitting the triple digits. But Tuesday, the triple digits, here we come. And going into Wednesday, triple digits will still stick with us. Back to you, Andy.